All right, good morning, fifth graders. This is Module 5, Lesson 19. It is Tuesday. I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. I am going to read this. You can read it with me. The teacher asked her class to draw parallelograms that are rectangles. Kylie drew figure 1 and Zach drew figure 2. Zach agrees that Kylie has drawn a parallelogram, but says that it's not a rectangle. Is he correct? Use properties to justify your answer. So think about what we talked about last week. Think about the properties of a rectangle, the properties of a parallelogram. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to write down the properties to justify your answer all by yourself. And then you will pause the video. And when you unpause the video, be ready for your answer. So here we go. Figure 1 is a square that Kylie drew. It is a parallelogram because it has two sets of parallel lines. You have parallel lines here, and you also have parallel lines here. So it is a parallelogram, but it is a square, right? So a square is a quadrilateral with all four right angles. So here are the right angles. I'm going to take these lines away. We have four right angles, okay, and all four sides of the same length. So a square is a special kind of rectangle. It is one where all the sides have the same length, okay? Thus, every square is a rectangle because it is a quadrilateral with all four right angles. All right? So sometimes we get confused because guess what, you guys? A rectangle, a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square. Okay, so yes, a square is a rectangle, but a rectangle is not a square, okay? And a rectangle is not a square because with a rectangle, the side lengths are not the same. So I hope you made sure to use those properties to justify your answer.